Greetings in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. This is Oboni, the daughter of God. Just popping in to speak to parents. Parents, I mostly see complaints about, hey, phones, technology is doing this and that and that. Well, there is a silver lining to everything. You can choose to focus on the bad side or choose to focus on the good side. For example, you leave before your kids wake up. There's nothing stopping you from sending them a message and wishing them a good day or checking on them. We've got parents that are so bad at parenting that a full grown up parent will not check on their children the whole day. When you get home, you claim it's your time to rest. The kids mustn't make noise for you. Hi, Bubagwetu. They did not make themselves. You went and did the deed and made the children. So you are responsible for that human being that you work at in bringing here on earth. Let us parent, Bazali. The world is like this because we have mostly ignored parenting. Use that phone. Check on the children. If you leave before them, send them messages to check on them. During your lunch, check on your children. You are not a parent only when you get home or only when you pay bills. You are a parent every second of the day until you go back to your creator. Check on the children. Ask them how they are. Call them. Those mobiles can be used for something good. Hey, back in the day, our parent had timey. Now we don't have timey. We are tired. It's a choice. You don't have the time, yes, but you have the means to communicate. Oh, Baba Bebe Sebenze Joburg, they didn't have the privileges of seeing their children every day. You can video call your child and see what's going on. But we've got parents that are so lazy and using excuses. You don't have an excuse why you can't be a parent. So use that phone, use that data that you have. Check on your children, greet them, check on them during the day. Same thing with the, hey, I'm a working husband, when I get home I'm tired. It doesn't work like that. What's stopping you from checking on your wife if she's at home, or wife if she's at her own workplace, video calls and all of that? We cannot keep blaming the moving times on things that we are just sitting and not doing anything about. There's nothing stopping you from making time. So prioritize being a parent, prioritize being a spouse, whether you are a wife or you are a husband. Make time. Make time. Priorities will help you. If your priorities is to check Beyonce